Now let's talk about a company that has done what no other in history has ever done. Nvidia has just become the world's first $5 trillion company. For context, that's more than some of the world's top economies. This is a company that was once known for gaming chips. Today, it builds the hardware that powers artificial intelligence, from ChatGPT to self-driving cars and to the massive data centers that make AI work. Just 3 months ago, Nvidia crossed the $4 trillion mark. 13 months ago, before that, it was at $3 trillion. The company has been adding trillions in value at record speeds. The company's shares rose 3% after the market opened on Wednesday. This year alone, the stock has gained around 50%. And in the past 6 months, the company's shares have soared approximately 90%. To put it simply, Nvidia is now worth more than both Microsoft and Apple. It was only 7 years ago that Apple became the first trillion-dollar company. Today, there are 10 trillion-dollar companies in the world, proof that the AI boom is reshaping the global economy. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, has been at the center of it all. This week, he laid out an ambitious vision to put Nvidia chips in robotic factories, cell towers, and even self-driving cars.
Remember, AI doesn't care where it goes to school. And so we can put AI behind the grid, behind the meter. And so we ought to generate power as much as we can. We ought to use sustainable power as much as we can. We're going to use power of all kinds, whatever's available. It doesn't have to be on the grid. Now, it's also the case that putting these factories on the grid, sharing the grid, would be helpful to the grid long term. And so, because these power generators are going to generate an enormous amount of power, we can rent it back into the grid when the grid needs it.
The company is expecting $500 billion in AI chip orders and plans to build 7 new supercomputers for the United States government. It's also investing $1 billion in Nokia to help build next-generation 6G networks.
In the networking side, ultimately bring AI-powered wireless networks to 5G and in the future, 6G. Both stocks are up nicely today. The market likes the idea that both these companies will be able to diversify their product mix.
Adding to the momentum, there's growing hope that talks between US President Donald Trump and China's Xi Jinping could open Chinese markets to Nvidia's high-end AI chips. And Nvidia isn't just making chips, it's spending big as well. It's investing $100 billion in OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, and another $5 billion in Intel. But here's where things get interesting. So far, there has been a lack of clarity around the return on AI investments. This, paired with a circular spending spree and the industry's eye-popping growth rates, have raised concerns that the AI market may be a bubble waiting to burst. Still, Nvidia insists that it is just the beginning. The company believes that by the end of this decade, global spending on AI infrastructure could reach $4 trillion. In the most recent quarter, the company raked in nearly $26 billion in net income. Earlier in the month, the International Monetary Fund and the Bank of England became the latest financial institutions to warn that global stock markets could be in trouble if investor appetite for AI turns sour. As of now, Nvidia has broken a record. But the real story is not where Nvidia stands today, it's where it's heading next. Can it keep powering the AI revolution without burning out? Or will the race for artificial intelligence create new giants that challenge it? For now, one thing is clear. The world is running on AI, and AI is running on Nvidia.
Want the facts?
The latest developments?
News that gets straight to the point.
Well, we've got all 3 just for you. This is Firstpost Live, a brand new show, your window into what really matters.
Don't miss it.